Welcome. Today we are going to create a Flipgrid by going to flipgrid.com and choosing Educator Login. I'm logging in with Google and choose the account that you would like. And this will show me the list of grids that I have created so far. So right now I'm going to do a new grid. We call this training exercise. This tells me what the learners will use to access my grid. This is the link that I'm going to share with my students. So the purpose, this grid will be used to instruct student teachers. It gives you a character maximum. So I'm scrolling down. Security and privacy. If I desire to password protect, I could say yes, and then I enter the password. Grid followers allow students to receive email notifications when new topics are created. Yes, that sounds good. Share links. Allow users to share a grid. Sure, why not? Allow downloads, and yes, I want to allow students to be able to download this if they would like. Section 3 of 4 are the different features. This is very helpful to me as a teacher. I can get notifications when someone has responded. Captions, display auto-generated captions. These may or may not be very accurate. Always check them. If there are written captions, sometimes the pronunciation of words is not too cool, so you may have to correct that, but it does allow you to correct the captions. And active or inactive, this is where I can go to inactivate. Drop a file or click to upload. If I have my own image, it tells me wonderfully what size of the image that I need to use. Oh, I like that elephant. And I create my grid. Now that I've created a grid, it's time to create a topic. So the grid itself is just a holding place for all my various topics. If I want to search, I can search in the Discovery Library for other topics that other people have created, but right now I'm creating my own. So now here's a new topic. I can add my title. Display date, I can choose when I want this to be displayed. Video response time, if I want my students to take 5 minutes or less, 15 seconds is really a great start. Response moderation, if I want to look at their responses before I allow them to go public, I choose moderation, and that way I can decide if I want to moderate their responses. Topic description, there's a little bit of word processing. There's a link here if you want to. So I'm going to add my question or stimulus. And it gives me a count of how many characters I'm using. And it's active, launch, and freeze. If I want to freeze on a certain time, like the end of the semester, I could. Okay, so now finally I'm at 3 of 6 in my topic. This is where, if I already have a video that I've created with my phone, I could upload it here. Or if I have a video that I want them to respond to, a YouTube video or whatever, you can add that here. If I want to upload an image, for example, something that I want them to respond to, or add a Giphy, or add an emoji, or this is where I can record an actual video. Well, that's what I'm going to choose. Okay, so I've opened that. There it is. Hey, that's me. And if I want to record my video, I click that. So here I am recording, and here we go. I have 3 minutes to record. I may pause and resume until I have reached the limit. So right now, this is me recording, and it gives me a nice little countdown. So I'm going to record. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm going to keep my glasses on. Okay, here I go. So now I'm recording And what do you think of Flipgrid, and do you see yourself using this in your classroom, students? So I've recorded myself, and now I can click next. Here I go. So now I'm recording. And what do you think of Flipgrid, and do you see yourself using this in your classroom, students? All right, so it allows me to preview. If I like it, I go next. If I don't like it, I can record it again. Click the trash and I just record again. Until I get to the point where I like my recording, I click next, and now here's the selfie. And I'm giving myself a thumbs up. And stickers, I can put stickers here if I want to do stickers. Go team. And now click next. And it is uploading my video to my Flipgrid. So now I have a video attached to my topic. I could just delete it if I don't like it. And here, remember, instead of a blank, I have that. And features. Do I want to allow them to have stickers? Yes. Replies to responses. Yes, I do want to allow them. And this, I think, is the most important part. I want to allow my students to reply to each other, to encourage them to have that conversation between each other. Require an email for responses? I won't, because I'm only going to send this to people I know. And emoji reactions, we can do that. A response link. So right now, it's set for public to allow students to add a link to their video. If they want to link out to something else, that's fine with me. I don't have a problem with that. And then video views, display the number of views, and a response title. This allows me to give feedback. I can give custom feedback, performance, and ideas, and create topic. So now I've created a topic. It gives me 2 links. I have a link for the whole Flipgrid, also a link just directly to this topic. Now to share the topic, I click on Share Topic, and I can share by URL, I can share by embedding the code, or by creating a QR code.